to my channel. Today I received something in the mail. I got the MORIMOTO turn signal LED bulbs, so brand new LED, and I got the Smarttap relay. Focus. Smarttap relay, because once you switch to LED, it'll hybrid blink. But with this, you can actually change the settings and have a few different options. Yeah, it's just this is just kind of cool to help the hybrid blink and to have some cool features with it. So today I'm just gonna install the bulbs, put it in the Smarttap. Once it gets darker, I'll do a demo. Shouldn't be too hard to install. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go behind the fender liner, and then you just twist it and then just replace it, and it should be easy. Just hard to take off the dash, but we'll see. Alright, so I recommend wearing gloves because you don't want to touch the bulbs, because again the output could be really bad if your fingerprints on it and could burn out the bulbs quicker. These are the only thing I can find right now, so gloves. The new LED. Alright, so I just got the one side in. The hardest part is trying to kind of figure out where, trying to put it back in. So I just kind of cover it with my gloves with the bulbs carefully, and then insert it, and then clockwise, I believe. Or next side. Got both of them on. I'm gonna just see what it looks like without the relay first. So everything looks good so far. It only hybrid blinks when you have your turn signals on. So I actually kind of like it when it hybrid blinks. But next I'm gonna put in the relay and then go from there. So I gotta pop this off. There's some screws in here. I believe this one pops something off here, and then the relay should be just right in there. Finally! Holy hell. And the new one. Smarttap. Done! So let's test this out. Turn on the lights. Ooh. So preset, it double flicks, so like the strobe. Hell yeah. Hello.
What up, player?
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
What's going on, man? What are we doing today?
Put on The Out Now key sticker on the windshield.
Oh yeah, my
Being
God.
branded.
Yeah, represent. Yeah, check this out. So I put it on the new lights. Good. Hold this. And then once your hazard lights.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, it's blinking.
It's a double blink. So yeah, we got the oil slick Out Now K banner. Take my car at night and then show you some better videos at nighttime with the new LED bulbs. See you in the next clip. Alright, so it's actually been a couple of days after the install, but I didn't get a chance to do some night demo. So departure, blinkers, switchbacks, left, right, and then the strobe hazard lights, which is one of my favorite features on it. But yeah, definitely cool. It lights up pretty bright as well with the LEDs. Hope you guys liked the video, the install, the demo. If you guys can, smash the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon.